A very, very big congratulations to the Jamaicans, because there is actually a good news after the relay that happened today in Budapest. In case this happens to be your first time, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, the Jamaicans men were able to win bronze medal. Congratulations, they have done their best. As for the female runners, I am very, very disappointed, although they did their best. In case you don't know, USA are the winners of men relay. They were the ones that came first. Congratulations to the USA men relay team. Now to the females, to be honest, I'm very, very disappointed in Jamaica's female relay team, because I was expecting Ellen Thompson-Hira to be on that relay, but unfortunately they removed Ellen Thompson-Hira, and it is so sad and so unfortunate. But nevertheless, the Jamaican females did their best, especially Shelly and Fraser-Fries. Shelly and Fraser-Fries did her best, and even Shericka Jackson, I think she ran very, very well, but Sha'Carri was just far behind her. That was why they were not able to win. Now the truth is, I was not happy when they removed Ellen Thompson-Hira, because I know if Ellen Thompson-Hira and Bryna Williams are in this team of female runners from Jamaica, definitely they might have made up, because Ellen Thompson-Hira has this experience of relay, and Bryna Williams also have this experience of relay. So the Americans ran 41.03 to get a championship record, while the Jamaicans ran 41.21 seconds. Now the truth is, Ellen Thompson-Hira can still be in this team, and the Jamaicans might still get silver, so you can't actually blame anybody. I think the JJA were following rules.